Welcome to the green community, and what a green community this is. So this is perhaps one of the least known villa communities anywhere in Dubai, and what's more, the location is absolutely superb. That is the main entrance here. The location is nestled nicely between Arabian Ranches and Tilal Al Gaf in the heart of Motor City. You would never know. And what I love is this is a very mature community. So, you know, the trees and the landscaping are very mature, and you know, it does remind me of somewhere in Europe. But just look at this, isn't it beautiful? Lots of little footpaths and off-street parking. You know, cars aren't whizzing by, so if you're coming here with your kids and you know you want them to go out on their bikes, this is such a lovely community to do that. These are all detached villas as well. We've got a mixture of bungalows and ground plus first floor. So I don't know where. So you can see some green areas, so if the kids want to come and play with their football, they can. And you know, there's also parks with swings as well. We've got some lakes here, so you can walk around the lakes. Lots of little like pathways here. In fact, when I'm driving around here, I usually get lost. But just how lovely is that? I mean, how quiet. Those little street, there's a little cul-de-sac there, and you know, real mixture of houses here. In fact, this street is predominantly the bungalows, but I'm going to take you down another street where you've got the larger homes where people have actually now extended them. So let's take a drive down here and you'll be able to see some of these properties where people have actually extended their houses and built. There we go. Some houses here that they've built on top. And we're just coming up towards the lake here as well. Just really, really nice community. You're probably sat watching this thinking, gosh, I've never heard of this. There are two green communities in Dubai. There's the green community, which you probably never heard of, here in Motor City. And there's another green community at DIP, the Dubai Investment Park, which is on its way to sort of Expo area. So, you know, people get the two confused. They think it's one, it's actually two. And yeah, like just it's one of those end user communities, so it's not often listed or online for sale and rent because you know, it just passes from one friend referral to another. It's a real secret. But just, I mean, check this out. Isn't that gorgeous here at the cul-de-sac? They have a really nice lake view, that house there as well. There we go. But really, really lovely homes. So if you want some more details on this community and what we have available, I've got a beautiful house here, and yeah, really excited to show you more and bring you to see what we have. There are townhouses as well, and the beauty is you're just a 10 minutes drive to Tilal Al Gaf and the schools area. So really, thank you so much for watching, as always, my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss another video again. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my drive through of the green community. And yeah, it's you know, I do this YouTube channel because just like you, once upon a time, you know, I discover these areas because I'm always doing my power walks, and I'm just like, wow, I never even knew this existed. If I'd known this existed, you know, maybe I'd have looked and buy here, or you know, invested there, or brought a friend here. So that's what I love to do, is I love to match you to what you're looking for as a family or a couple, or on your own as an investment. But yeah, isn't it lovely? So green. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.